Hello, Nagarjun. Welcome. Thanks for taking the time out and helping us understand your experiences with Lean Six Sigma Pro. Welcome to this. I know you come from a machine tool industry, but why don't you kind of give a brief introduction yourself to start with, and then you can hear more about your experiences.
Yeah, hello. I'm Nagarjun. I have 7 years of experience as assembly methods engineer. My basic roles and responsibilities are to ensure right process and troubleshooting and process improvements in assembly. I have designed various fixtures for assembly and to reduce the lead time of the assembly. I have been part of deskilling and process. I have been part of deskilling assembly and ergonomic assembly.
That's interesting. Ergonomic assembly, that's very interesting part of it. So what triggered you to explore Lean Six Sigma as a methodology? So what was your trigger and why did you decide to upskill yourself in this particular domain?
So, as a process engineer, problem solving needs to be most top priority skill. So, so with this in background, when I was going through many lectures in YouTube or other video platforms, or when I was in discussion with our senior colleagues, majority of them were discussing about or they were recommending about Six Sigma as a top tool for problem solving. So, as a process engineer, I have to improve my skill sets in that area. So I thought, why should I not learn Lean Six Sigma? It will help me and it will also help my organization.
Absolutely. That's a
Made
good
me to
trigger.
think that I have to learn Six Sigma.
Very nice. Very good. But having done that, then I'm sure you would have with so many options available out there. There are so many institutes who kind of train in this particular field. Uh, how did you go about evaluating which would be the best institute for your expectations, which will meet your expectations and your desires? How did you go about identifying the institutes?
Okay. Actually, I was searching for a right advisor to advise me about Six Sigma or any other tools. So I was searching in LinkedIn and I found Srinivas and I got connected with him. So then I started inquiring with him about Lean Six Sigma, how it will be, how useful it will be, how useful it will be for me, and how useful it will be for my company. So then he started answering all my questions and he was clearing all my doubts. So then I thought, okay, this man he is explaining me so confidently and that made me to think to join Lean Six Sigma Pro.
Interesting. That's an interesting word you use, the right advisor, because uh, at the end of the day, the Lean Six Sigma are a set of tools which are there, and which tool to pick up at what time, in what context. That is important, and that's where the right advisor comes in. And if you learn from somebody who's experienced and can guide you pick up the right tool at the right point in time, certainly that's valuable. So interesting, very nice. uh, but now, having gone through the training and obviously you would have completed the certification,
Yes.
whatever your expectations were there from the training part of it, did you believe those expectations were met?
Yes, certainly. Certainly, all my expectations were met. So, from if I have to say, from day one, Srinivas made us to involve deep into the subject. He was explaining everything with real life examples, whether it may be routine personal life or official life. So he was correlating every incidents with Lean Six Sigma. So it was helping us to understand better. It was helping us to involve better. So this was really great. So no matter from which industry you are, he was example from our industry to Lean Six Sigma. That was really good. Even
Well,
after co-
Good.
Even after course completion, he got connected to a group containing alumni members of Lean Six Sigma Pro, where we were able to exchange our ideas, we were able to ask suggestions, we were able to give our suggestions and participate in group discussions. And we were also divided into groups, and we were given a case study where we can work on that case study, and this helped us to know how to implement things in real life. This was really great.
Interesting. So another interesting point which you made, that it's not only about professional life. You can look at things from a personal day-to-day life as well, right? So Lean Six Sigma
Yeah.
is not only industry agnostic. It's not only that you do something at your workplace, but you can do in your day-to-day walks of life as well, right? So when it gets into your DNA, the entire process improvement there. It's very uh, good. And the case study you mentioned about, so can you elaborate on that? What was that case study, and how did it help you?
So there was a case study related to a company where there was some issues with their productivity. So there were some data collected about that company. So we were able to, so when we were formed groups, so we went through those data, and we applied Six Sigma principle, DMAIC, and then we were able to solve those problems, or we were able to identify what is the problem using those tools of Six Sigma.
Great. So it was not theoretical. It was like a real life example in the industry, uh, and then you walk through all the phases, and it gave you an exposure to kind of implement what the concepts were there.
Yeah. Yes.
Very nice. Now, having done the certification, the training, the certification, this case study based learning, have you been able to see any positive impact in your workplace today after the trainings and certifications has been done? What kind of a professional benefits do you see on your workplace as we speak?
Yes, certainly. Now I am able to relate different tools of Six Sigma to different issues. Okay, so before learning Six Sigma, so what I was doing is I was collecting data, and I was mapping everything in a matrix in Excel sheet. So I was not using much tools. So after learning Lean Six Sigma, I was able to correlate some tools to the issues present in my official life.
Very nice.
This so from creating a matrix for every data collection to creating a SIPOC, or whether it may be FMEA or VSM, or using DMIC tools. So this certification has certainly brought me to the, it has also brought me good recognition in office, and I am sure that I will be in limelight for future projects.
Oh, that's good, because the spark when you show to your leadership that you can add value over and above your day-to-day job, certainly the leadership takes notice of that and gives you more complex problems to solve, and that's how you get into limelight. So very good to know that you are in that path. Now, obviously, this is not the only interaction what we have with you. You mentioned about the WhatsApp group, and you're still in touch with Srinivas, so we continuously will be in touch with you. But having said that, is there any feedback you would have for Lean Six Sigma Pro team to further improve what value we can add to you as an individual, to the community of Lean Six Sigma Pro? What more and what different can we potentially do?
I would suggest Lean Six Sigma Pro to continue their method of teaching. Their approach using real life examples or case studies or group discussions with other students. So I think this should be continued.
Sure. Thanks for that input. And last but not least, I'm sure you have done your green belt now, and you would be pursuing your black belt. And also at your workplace or in your friend circle, you would be talking about Lean Six Sigma as a methodology. And so, what advice would you give to somebody who's thinking about pursuing this? Uh, how they can go about, how they can upskill themselves, what training, what certification they can do. So, what kind of recommendation you would give to them?
I would definitely recommend my whether it may be my colleagues or my friends or whoever it may be, I would recommend them to learn Lean Six Sigma. So, and I would also recommend them to learn at Lean Six Sigma Pro. So, why I am recommending is I have experienced that. I have experienced my transition from not knowing anything about Lean Six Sigma to being knowledgeable and very confident about Lean Six Sigma. So, this has made me to recommend others also.
Sure, thanks for that. Thanks for that feedback. And they always say pay it forward, right? So, whatever experiences we have, whatever benefits we have obtained, we share it with the people whom we know and add more value to them so that they can take it forward. So, good thought. So, thanks for that. And like I said, this is not the only interactions. We would continuously keep on interacting and improving the overall value add we want to give it to the entire community, if I want to call it. And I wish you a lot of success in your professional career. May the limelight be a strong light which falls on you from your leadership, and you are able to drive many more improvement projects which can add really make an impact to the business. So thanks, Nagarjun. Thanks for taking time out and sharing your experiences. Really appreciate that. So have a great day ahead and all the very best.
You're welcome, Sangram. Thank you.
Thank you.